Let me ask you something that'll probably keep you up tonight. Why do some people keep stacking wealth like they're printing money, while others work twice as hard and still can't break free from living paycheck to paycheck? Here's what's wild. It's not about luck. It's not about grinding 80-hour weeks. And despite what your broke relatives tell you, it's absolutely not about having rich parents. The financially successful aren't just working harder. They're playing an entirely different game with rules nobody ever taught you. In the next 4 minutes, I'm revealing the 5 most guarded secrets to financial success. These are the exact fine prints millionaires live by, but rarely discuss publicly. And secret number 5 will completely flip everything you think you know about money. It might be the single reason you're not already rich. Let's break it down. Secret number 1. Money accrues in ownership, not labor. If you're only trading time for money, you're already losing before the game starts. Wealthy people figured out something crucial. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them 24/7. While you're sleeping tonight, successful entrepreneurs are earning from their businesses. Real estate investors are collecting rental income. Stock investors are watching dividends roll in. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Stop asking, how can I earn more per hour? Start asking, what can I own that pays me forever? It could be a rental property generating monthly cash flow, dividend stocks sending quarterly checks, an online business selling automatically, even a YouTube channel earning ad revenue around the clock. Remember this, ownership builds wealth. Labor just pays bills. Secret 2, your network is your net worth. This isn't just a motivational fluff. It's a proven financial law. Wealth flows through people, not just platforms. Millionaires are extremely intentional about who they learn from and align with. Broke people talk about drama and gossip. Successful people discuss ideas, opportunities, and investment strategies. Start surrounding yourself with bigger thinkers. Join masterminds where successful people share strategies. Attend events where investors gather. Follow proven mentors. Because here's reality. You're literally one connection away from your biggest financial breakthrough. But sorry to burst your bubble. You'll never make that connection scrolling social media. Secret 3. Delay gratification like a billionaire. This separates the financially free from the financially trapped. Poor people spend first, invest later, if there's anything left. Wealthy people invest first, spend what's left, if they feel like it. Every dollar gets filtered through this question. Will this make me more money or just make me temporarily happy? That upgrade you're considering? Cancel it. That impulse purchase? Skip it. Stack that cash and put it to work instead. This isn't deprivation. It's discipline. Every smart financial decision today buys you more freedom tomorrow. Secret 4. Learn high-income skills, then leverage them. Financial success starts with solving big problems for people. Copywriting, sales, digital marketing, trading, coding, AI automation. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger your paycheck. But here's where most people get stuck. They learn valuable skills, then just sell their time doing them. The real secret, don't rent your skill out, scale it into systems. Instead of just writing copy, create copywriting courses. Instead of just doing marketing, build agencies with teams. Transform from someone who does the work to someone who owns the systems. That's how you go from earning good money to building real wealth. Secret 5. The rich don't think in dollars, they think in freedom. Here's the bombshell most people miss completely. Financial success isn't about accumulating money. It's about gaining control. Control over your time, decisions, and location. The truly wealthy don't chase dollars. They build what I call freedom units. Every investment decision gets measured by one question. Does this give me more freedom or less? They want freedom to say no to opportunities that don't align with their values. Freedom to spend time with people they love. Freedom to live where, when, and how they want. When you shift from chasing cash to building freedom, everything changes. Your investment strategy changes. Your business decisions change. Your entire relationship with money transforms. That mindset shift alone separates the broke from the unstoppable. Now, if this woke something up inside you, don't just scroll past. and go back to your old patterns. Comment below, which of these 5 secrets hit you hardest? Which one made you realize what needs to change about your financial strategy? If you're serious about transforming your financial future, subscribe to Million the Dollar Success Fineprints right now. We're not just another channel. We're your bridge to the entrepreneurial mindset and investment opportunities that create lasting financial freedom. Our education consultancy specializes in turning knowledge into wealth-building action. Whether you're building your online business, developing that digital nomad lifestyle, or ready to break free from the job trap, we have the proven success strategies you need. The next video could contain the one insight that changes your bank account forever. But here's the thing, timing matters in wealth building. The opportunities available today might not be here tomorrow. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications. Let's build your financial freedom together. You're not just watching content. You're accessing the same business education and wealth building strategies our successful clients use to create passive income and build their dream lifestyles. Stay sharp, stay free. I'll see you in the next video.